naman makikita kasi 100% na naman ang pinaka. Wala sa'yo. Ayaw. So, halimbawa is ang Denmark. 90/100. Halos walang katiwalian. 10% lang ang katiwalian. Kung meron ng katiwalian, pwedeng ma-resolve kasi 10% lang. Kung may magkagawa man ng pamahalaan, pwede. Divided by 100 is equal to 0.98. So, pagkatapos natin i-divide, i-times ko natin. 0.90 times 100 is equal to secret. Wait up.
Thank you for showing up today. Thank you for listening. Enjoy the rest of the day. And God bless us.